Hey, welcome back. Today is Sunday the 21st of August, and what I'm going to do today, I'm going to use the pellet smoker. It's kind of hot out there. So I've got a rack of baby back ribs, and I've got some bone-in beef shank that I'm going to do on the pellet smoker today. So today is kind of like Goldee's dry rub day. I've got two different ones here. I've got the Goldee's all-purpose rub, and I've got the Goldee's brisket rub. And I got both of these. I ordered them online from Walmart. So surely you've heard of Goldee's barbecue in Fort Worth. They were rated the #1 barbecue in Texas Monthly. So I thought I'd try their rubs out. I really want to get up there and give their barbecue a shot because it looks wonderful. But I'm going to try these rubs out today on the pork ribs and the beef shank. And I'll bring you right back when I pull this stuff out of the packaging. Okay, I've got the stuff out of the packaging. There really isn't a lot of trimming to do to these baby backs. So I'm going to sharpen my knife here real quick. This is an F-Dick cross steel sharpener. And it works pretty well. It's got a Dow Strong curved boning knife. Works well. So let me turn this over and see what's the... Oh yeah, there's a little bit back here that needs to come off. Like that. The rest of that's good. That's it. That's it. These don't need to be trimmed much. They're already ready to go. That's a nice fat. That's a nice good piece of meat there. So those are good. The beef shank, no trimming whatsoever. There's not a lot of fat there. So what I'm using today is a binder, is pickle juice. Gosh, I can't remember the name of the pickle juice. It's canned. But anyway, I've got it in the spray here. I'm gonna go ahead and spray some pickle juice on these baby backs. Goldee's all-purpose rub. And there's a guy named Jerby that cooks for Goldee's. He says, don't be shy with this. Go ahead and pile it on. So let's do that. I'm gonna turn it over. Do the underside. What I'm gonna do is just score this membrane. Some people take them off, some people just score them. Just score them to get the rub to the meat through the membrane. Okay, that's scored up. Let's put some more pickle juice on here as a binder. And let's put some more Goldee's all-purpose rub all over the backside here. It's got a lot of pepper in it, I can see it. Get the sides. All right. Let's put that on the cooling tray. That's got a good coverage. Maybe up there a little bit more. That's good. All right. Now, the beef shank, we're going to use, let me pull that over here. We're going to use Goldee's brisket rub on the beef shank. That's this one here. So let's see how it looks. I'm going to go ahead and use the pickle juice as a binder to these guys as well. Get both sides. Liberal. Coat it down pretty good. Oops, pickle juice. Yeah, that rub is sticking with that pickle juice. Alright, let's do this one. This is bone-in beef shank. I gotta cook it real slow or it'll be really tough. So I'm probably gonna set the pellet smoker to 225 degrees to get started and see how this stuff comes along. And I'm using oak pellets today in my Lone Star Grillz 20 by 36 pellet smoker. Done. Ready for the smoker. I'm gonna run out and get it up to temp and I'll bring you right back. Ready to put the meat on the pellet grill. What I'm gonna do is put the ribs on the bottom rack toward the back. And then push them together like an accordion. That's how they'll cook. Then I'm putting the beef shank top left corner like that. The fire pot's there, so I don't want to put anything too close to the fire pot. So I'm going to go at 250 to speed it up just a little because they're talking about rain this afternoon. So I'll bring you back when I'm going to spritz. Okay, I'm going to check on the ribs and I'm probably going to spritz. I'm going to spritz them with pickle juice. Yeah, that's fine. Come back in an hour and wrap those ribs in aluminum foil with some honey and butter and some apple juice and put them back on the pit, and I'll bring you back. I don't know if you can see it. Look at how this thing smokes. It's like an offset. It's always smoking. It's not like any pellet grill I've ever seen. I'm gonna take the ribs off, put them in the house and wrap them. Turn these beef shanks over. Okay, I'm going to take these ribs in the house and wrap them, put them back on the grill, bring you right back. Alright, I'm going to wrap them now. And put down some butter. I'm going to put some honey on top of that. Then I'm going to put a little bit more of the rub. This is Goldee's all-purpose rub. And we'll put them meat side down, like this. inside, I'm gonna put some apple juice. Just pour it over the rib. Like that. Wrap it up. Fold it over. Fold it over again. And put it back on the grill, just like this. And let those ribs steam inside with that apple juice. So I'm gonna go put them back on the grill, and I'll bring you right back. Okay, we're back. And I took the beef shank off the pellet smoker. We're gonna give it a taste real quick. Let's see what it tastes like. This was with the Goldee's brisket rub on it. A lot of pepper. Pretty warm. Good flavor. It's actually got kind of a smoke ring in it. I'm gonna put it in some of my sauce. That's good. So, the Goldee's brisket rub are pretty good stuff. So we've got a lot of pepper in it. So, I'm gonna go be taking the baby back ribs off here in just a minute, and we'll try those. I'll bring you back. All right, we're back. I took the baby backs off the pellet smoker. They look really good. This is with the Goldee's all-purpose rub. So it's a Goldee's rub day, let's say. I'm gonna take them off, and I am gonna cut me a couple of ribs here. Oh, yum. These meaty ones down here at this end. Yum. Let me see if I can cut through it. Oh, look at that. Got a nice little smoke ring around there. Oh, it's juicy too. All right, I'm gonna take a bite of this guy. Let's see. It's got a nice bark, real nice bark. I usually don't like baby backs. I usually like spare ribs. This baby back is juicy and smoky. And I can taste the pepper in the Goldee's rub. I want to try it in some of my barbecue sauce. Let's see here. You see how that bites through to the bone? Doesn't fall off? Good. Good pork rib. Good. So, like I said, I got these rubs from Walmart. I ordered them online. And give them a try. So, if you don't mind, give me a thumbs up on today's video. And please, subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you the next time I'm back there cooking.